Hi, we're here at Guildford Spinal Health, where we're providing IDD therapy, spinal decompression. This is a non-surgical treatment for unresolved spinal conditions such as bulging discs, herniated discs, and related conditions like sciatica, nerve pain in the legs, or nerve pain in the arms coming from a neck issue. Patient is lying comfortably on the AcuSpiner device, and the treatment is controlled by computer. The treatment works by focusing what we call distraction forces at the specific level where the patient has a problem. Commonly, you might hear L4, L5 or L5S1 are the common areas in the lumbar spine. Essentially, we're looking to decompress that spinal segment, take pressure off the disc and the nerves, and work the muscles and ligaments around the joint to help restore function. IDD therapy is used as a complete program of care, which might include manual therapy and will include exercise. The goal is to put you onto a path of long-term healing and pain relief. If you are struggling with a back or neck problem, disc condition, and you're not sure what to do about it, then contact Guildford Spinal Health. They'll be able to assess you and determine if IDD therapy is the right treatment for you. Thank you.